Cheating ba ang pag-like at pag-DM o harmless lang na landian? Alam mo yung silent issue ngayon sa relationships, hindi na yung nahuli ko kayo sa aktong, kundi likes, reacts, and DMs. Yung tipong, bakit mo nilike yung selfie niya? Bakit may fire emoji ka sa story niya? Bakit may hey stranger sa DM mo? And suddenly, labanan na ng trust. Pero ito ang real question. Cheating ba talaga yon o OA lang minsan? Kasi for some people, flirting in DMs is harmless landian lang. Wala naman physical, chill lang, joke lang yan. Pero for others, that's already emotional cheating. Kasi intention matters. Hindi lang actions, pati attention. Kasi let's be honest, hindi ka naman magla-like, magre-react, magbe-message ng paulit-ulit kung wala kang intention na mapansin ka rin. And here's where it gets messy. Yung secret conversations that you wouldn't show your partner, that's usually where the line gets crossed. So, the real deal breaker is not the DM itself. It's the honesty and boundaries behind it. Kasi in healthy relationships, simple lang dapat, what I wouldn't do in front of you, I shouldn't be doing behind you. Now, the question is, where do you draw the line?